Hello everyone, this is Tableau Training Module 4. My name is Pankaj. I am from ABC of Data Analyst. This Module 4 is nothing but it's uh, information regarding what are the different versions of Tableau been launched since 2003. So Tableau 1.0 you can see 2003, right? The initial release of Tableau, which focused on data visualization and exploration, it laid the groundwork for future versions. Similarly, you will see in the different slides I've given all the informations regarding Tableau, different versions which you will not get even in the tableau.com websites. This is Tableau 7.0, Tableau 8.0. You just have to go through it. It's not necessary, but yeah, to know the history of Tableau, it's important. If they might ask you a question during interview, you can able to do that, able to answer those questions. So it is Tableau 2019.3, and I'm going back to 2018. It's 2018 version. There's only one version. 2019, one version. So I'm coming to slide 5, then slide 6, Tableau 2019.2, Tableau 2019.3. So these are the different versions of Tableau. It's Tableau 2019.4, again 2021, 2020 it's version 1, version 2, and version 3. So in different versions of Tableau, you will see they have increased one more applications to be integrated with the Tableau. They added more metrics. They added more features on the Tableau. So every release, when a software development goes through a different phases, we call it a backlog. Backlog is nothing but a kind of a recommendations or review from the customer and the survey conducted by the company itself that what extra features they needed for the better customer experience. So these are called backlog, which means then transferred to the software development team. Those who are looking after the backlog, including side by side with the software development phases. So they're also looking at the bug part. At the same time, they also want to add all these features, right? So these are the different versions of the Tableau. Tableau 2020. Now again you see 2021 versions 1. So this way you can see I have made the module 4, which is easy to understand. I'm going to explain in a very brief about all this one by one. Tableau module 4 is Tableau history or Tableau versions till date. Till date means 2023 till November. Tableau 1.0 was released in 2003 year. The initial release of Tableau, which focuses on data visualization, the earlier version, the very primary version, was only about to data visualization and exploration. How the different way they can visualize the data. That was an exploration on that. It laid the groundwork for future versions of the Tableau. Tableau 2.0 to 6.0 between 2004 to 2011. These versions continued to refine the software, introducing more interactive features, added support for more data sources, and improved data connectivity. Tableau 7.0. These versions introduced a redesigned interface, new data visualization option, and features like heat maps and updated dashboards. Heat maps is nothing but a gradual, if you see the range of color, right, from light, from the light color to gradually it's moving toward the dark color. So that's called heat map. That shows how the temperature is increased over the time. So for that we also use the heat map. It can be used for any data which is a continuous data, uh, right? Continuous data I'll discuss in the module 5, and which has people heights or people weight over the time. So when it gets increased or decreased, so definitely color will change. That is called heat map. It is also available in Excel and Power BI. Also there in Tableau. So updated dashboard. So they have added more features on the dashboards. Tableau 8.0 focused on enhancing the user interface. User interface is nothing. If I take you, user interface means how it should be visible for the users, which persons to click and do what. So it makes it more user friendly. So user interface is nothing but a front end or a front end screen of any software that you're going to use, and what are the options there, and introduce features like the ability to customize maps. So they have added the maps which you can customize, more data connection options. So data connection options like Excel file, JSON file, text file, PDF file. Then there will be more like a database connections. So there are more features they are adding one after another, and additional analytical capabilities. Tableau 9, a major release that brought improvements in data preparations. Data preparations is when you do the data connection. The second phase comes the data preparations. If you want to connect, suppose you have a data which contains two different kinds of table. One is related about the sales of a company with the different regions, and one the same sales amount related to the customer. So once you connect those two tables, that data modeling, data preparations, you will see in the after data connection. That is called data preparation. This version about improvements is data preparation introduced level of detail LOD expression, enhanced mobile capabilities, and also debuted the web data connector features. Tableau 10.0, this version offered a device-specific dashboard, custom territories, advanced analytics, and integration with the R programming language. So Tableau 10, basically you will find most of the training 4 years and 5 years ago, basically on Tableau 10, because it is considered as one of the landmark release for the Tableau, where our programming language software can be integrated, and the people can use all kinds of data to the R programming language, and they can visualize it through the Tableau, and among other improvements. So Tableau 2018, there's only one version. Tableau 29, in these versions, 29 is umbrella focusing on improvements in user experience, enhanced dashboards, spatial data connector. Spatial data connector is nothing like a map, right? It's a geospatial, what you have heard, and additional features of data preparation and analysis. Tableau 2019, again, there's a one version, launch of Ask Data as well as a Tableau Prep Conductor, a new add-on in Tableau Online, and a server that enables data preparation at scale by automating process and flows. Also enjoy data-driven alert views, dashboard zone names, and URL actions. All these versions you will find. I'm all of my Tableau training will be on the latest version of Tableau 2023.3 versions, point 2 or point 3 versions. Tableau 2019.2, this version includes parameter actions, vector maps, and a new way to browse your content on Tableau server and online. So these versions basically on Tableau server and Tableau online. Tableau online also called earlier Tableau Cloud. 2019.3 brings new capabilities to help you and your organizations to do more with your data. Also enjoy enhancements such as encryption at rest, the ability to and ask data, and ability to connect to published data source in Prep Builder. Next, similarly, Tableau 2019.4, uh, Tableau Server and Online and Webbook support to help further integrate and extend the Tableau platform. Webhooks is one of the tools through which it can integrate. In 2021, you can see enjoy dynamic parameters, buffer calculations, and visualization animation. So you can uh, do the animation of your visualizations to tell everyone to tell even more powerful moving stories behind your data. Now Tableau 2020.2 release includes metrics, set control, and enhancement of Tableau's data model with relationships to help you elevate your relationships with the data. Again, three versions is nothing much in external databases and Tableau preparation, grand license on sign-in, and deeper integration with the SAP. So they have added one more software that can be integrated with the Tableau. Similarly, in slides 9, you can see Tableau 2020.4 includes data improvement builder in the browser's battle improvement and resource monitoring tool for Tableau server on Linux. So Linux is the operating software. So for there also, they have developed certain features. In 2021.1, brings exciting functionality to help your people make smarter, faster business decisions. Highlights include Einstein discovery in Tableau, quick this and new unified notification experience. Don't confuse with these jargons. When I cover the next module, this will be covered there. I'm going very slowly and gradually so that you guys can have at least a basic understanding of theoretical part. So when you do the hands-on with the Tableau software, it's going to be easy for you. Tableau 2021.2 includes experience of arts data, explain data collections, and connected Tableau desktop experience for web authoring. Tableau 2021.3 version includes updates to data management. Data management is also I've discussed in the Tableau architecture. Tableau notification for Slack, personal space on Tableau server and online. 2021.4 comes with the new capabilities for better support secure connected analytics in the flow of your business, and of course some delightful capabilities to help you work faster and get more value from your data. 2022.1 version with the new capabilities to efficiently analyze your data and confidently manage the platform while scaling Tableau across your organization so that everyone can make better business decisions and get more value from your data. Again, 2021 is autosave in the browser and in the product exchange. These are the features included. And here, data guide, table extension, dynamic zone visibility, and more. So this I will cover one by one. Tableau 2022.4 includes Tableau external action, usage metrics, ideas from Tableau community, and more. 2223.1. Now this is a very important part from here onwards because we are going to work on the latest version. Tableau 2023.1 includes accelerated data mapping, Tableau for Slack enhancement, identity pools, and more. Tableau 2023.2 includes unified tooltips, a new data cloud connector, multi-row calculations, Tableau professional, and more. Tableau 2023.3 includes dynamic access ranges, the embedding playground, the native lighting web component for Tableau, and more. So this is a version on which I'm going to make all. Uh, this is the information which I have got as per the tableau.com websites and through other sources, and this is that. So this is the total description about. So if anybody can ask you, which is the year when a Tableau releases its first software, its initial release, that is in 2003, right? And then 2023. So in the last 20 years, we have seen the journey of Tableau, how it evolved over the time, and how he improved on the voice of customer, on the recommendations of customer, on the surveys, or various way of collecting the feedback from customers and users, and they implemented gradually, not all of them, but most of them, depending on the usage, depending on its market value, depending on do not go over the budget. So all these things keeping in mind, any software development, always look into the budget and resources before they implement any backlogs. Backlogs are nothing but it's a recommendations or surveys or customer feedbacks that what extra features are needed for this software. So this is it for the Tableau module 4. Very soon I'm going to upload a Tableau 5 videos, which will from there Tableau 5 will be the real experience of how to use Tableau. What are the very basic concepts of all the data types? Everything will be discussed on that. So till then, thank you everyone for watching this video. Till then, goodbye. See you again in the next video.